Yes, guys, this is just a quick update I gave to my Discord earlier. A little bit of what I'm looking for on Bitcoin in the next couple of days. Hope you enjoy. Right, let's have a look at this then, shall we? See if we can find something. Weeks downwards at previous week high. So in theory, previous week low is locked, right? Not saying that's guaranteed, of course, and trend is down, so I'm higher term time frame bearish until we get down here. That would be ideal. That's as where I wanted price. Will we get it? Fuck knows, man. Yeah, S2 would be nice, 10k, but until we get there. Right, so we had the weekly retest of the boss. We pivot and dropped. Yeah, for me, as long as we're above, as long as we're holding this low, like for me, I'd anticipate this doing its job. Let me mark it up. Well, fill the imbalance. 21.5. If we could get back up there, that'd be really nice. Where was the 21.1? We've got that untagged is still haven't. The weekly's done, innit? Yeah, I wouldn't mind that, if I'm honest. R2 rejection, drop to S1, retest pivot, continue lower. Let me just have a thing, right? What have we got down here? Yeah, see, up, down. I wouldn't mind this. So if I run up, retest, and then obviously what happens there, that should act as, what am I doing? I'd actually like to see that retested. Let me just check. Yeah, that was like, what, a 70.5. That was nice. Okay. Yeah, I think if we get back up there, I'll look for shorts. That's a nice zone. Obviously, we could fully rebalance, but because I've got it on the log in it. And then obviously see what we get off of that. In theory, that should hold. Whether it will or not, we will see, but I will trade it as if it's going to hold. Obviously, I'll be on the lower term time frame. And just see what we get. Because, yeah, I like that. Displace. Come back to support. Got the old volume levels. Retest. I wouldn't anticipate just straight drop through the pivot. and not retest it. That'd be, I think that'd give a nice opportunity. Yeah, and then I prefer the 6. That looks a lot cleaner. Got a 6 hour swing low. Yeah. I'd probably look for a short if we got the retest. Obviously, the only way you can, I wouldn't really want to be like, where's your invalidation? I wouldn't want to be doing this purely because I just don't like it. But what I will do is, once we get up here, I'll drop down onto the 5 minute. Where's the daily pivot? Yeah, because that's still untagged as well, isn't it? That's above us. Okay, so that's the first level I'm aware of. If we don't retest and we just come straight back, then again, weekly S2. Yeah, look, 1 hour imbalance here, took previous week high. Return to the 1 hour, that bounce was perfect. Right, the pivot fills. Yeah, give BPR there. So yeah, 20600. Yeah, that would be filling that imbalance, wouldn't it? Yeah, so my personal preference would be to run clear the daily pivot. You know, I like to see them cleared. I'd like to retest the weekly pivot, reject, and come back down to retest the original breaker. Back down here, rebalance. 19.4, I'd probably look. I'd be on 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, try and look for a scalp long down there. Give them. It would make sense, I believe. Same as I believe this is a nice short if given. If you, we've already had the R2 rejection, R2 S1, pivot, S2. Bring us towards the end of the week. Tuesday, weekly high. Whereabouts is the 50%? Yeah, again, cover 50, return back to premium of the move. That would be nice. Like I say, anywhere around there. And they're really the only 2 levels I'm interested in this week. Like I say, in theory, previous week low should be safe. So if we get a return, test the breaker from the chop box. Let me just check. Right. Imbalance tagged. Yeah, previous week still hold. Let me just get rid of the dailies. I can't see with them on. Get rid of of initial balance. Just annoying me. Oh wow. Yes, I didn't even know that. So we did have bearish divergences anyway. Been focusing too much on Forex, but yeah. We have the lower high on, so we have bearish SMT. That is interesting because yeah, Bitcoin obviously took previous week high, so bearish SMT played out perfect. Let's just get down onto a little bit lower. Yeah, I'd like to see the run up. I would like to see the weekly pivot retested. No one got any questions whilst I'm contemplating what's Ethereum? Yeah, Ethereum looks. Alright, that took previous day low. So we've got bullish SMT on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'd expect Bitcoin to go higher. Like I said, I'd like the weekly pivot retested. If we can get that, then we could load up on shorts, and then look to just drag price back down. That's a good place to bounce, really. Recovered 70% of the move. So yeah, that's my initial thoughts on Bitcoin anyway. They're the two levels that I'm monitoring. I think get to either of them and I'll jump onto like normally 10 or 15 minute. Look for a reversal in my direction and get in on the trade. Yeah, we pump, drop, recover, pump, to recover, drop. Right, that would be nice. See if there's anything there. I'm pumping away from that pivot. I had no reversals from the monthly pivot this time. See, that is what I want. Yeah, retest of the breaker. That's exactly what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. Ouch. Didn't quite reach, did they? Right. Obviously what I want on, we did get it on this time frame on Bitcoin, but what I'm referring to, I want it obviously a new retest of these. Yeah, I'd be happy with that. And then locally, yeah, for me it's just waiting for structure to break one way or the other. No real displacement to the upside yet. We did take out the low. Yeah, show me some displacement and I may look for a long entry, but right now I'm just chilling. If we can get back up there, it would be really nice. What day is it? Wednesday. Soon the weekend. But yeah, we have bullish SMT. So as long as we hold structure, obviously it's not great at the minute, but as soon as we get some displacement one way or the other, then I'd look for an entry. Yeah, they're the levels I'd watch. Nobody got any questions? What is it?
No, sir.
All good, mate. No worries, mate. I just thought like,
When Luna 2 to 0.
I don't know, mate. I
Bro,
don't.
it's all I'm just scalping Luna 2 for like 2 or 3 days just through the night, you know.
You're mad, mate. To be honest, I haven't really been trading that much crypto. I was scalping Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Where
but
was it?
you know why? Because there was volatility on Luna and low fees compared to Bitcoin. Like,
Uh,
you get me? It's been moving so mad. On small thingy, you could be doing nice moves, nice gains.
the last
With,
time
with
I was trading Bitcoin was when we was in this range down here. Yeah, we were down here for like a day and a half, and once we broke structure with displacement, we obviously got the retest and then ran. That was the last trade I took until I tried a long earlier.
trying to fade that pump from like
Yeah, when we
1 day.
when we displaced up earlier, this obviously we'd retested the breaker. We broke up. We had a little bit of displacement. I did try a long on the retest. Obviously got stopped out. No great drama. More because obviously I favour looking for trades to the upside because we've got a naked daily pivot. I'd like the weekly pivot retested. If we can get back up there and retest that, it'd give such a nice opportunity to just drop price again. Because I think we're destined to drop until we get down to the levels I want. Obviously, we tagged weekly order block, fully mitigated. I'd personally prefer down here. I think, yeah, I'd like down here myself. I'd start accumulating down here.
Yo, sorry, bro. Yo, you know what's the funding on the Luna 2?
What?
I've never seen that big funding.
What?
It's minus 1.5%.
What? Where are you trading that?
Bybit?
I've got no funds on Bybit. I'm on FTX only.
Bro, minus 1.5%. And that obviously is calculated from the whole position, not from your margin.
Yeah.
Yo,
Nice.
I never seen a funding so big.
Right. So that's all the only levels I'm really interested in on Bitcoin. I do like the fact that obviously we have bullish SMT. We cleared the daily pivot on ETH. Yeah, came up into the order block. Rejected. come back, field imbalance. There we had another sweep. Another pivot retest. Breaker retest. Okay, if we're going to go higher on Ethereum, you'd really like to see this hold. See us draw into it. Obviously we can wick a little bit underneath it, but yeah, if Ethereum's going to push higher from here and attack this order block or that high, then yeah, it'd be nice to see this hold. Same with Bitcoin, really. No real displacement though, like not even on the 5 minute. We didn't even leave a single fair value gap, did we? No. Huh. I don't like that. I'll wait for it to show me that it wants to move up, and then I'll look for an entry. Oh wow. That funding is just madness. It really is. Oh,
It's first time in my life I'm seeing funding that big, bro. It's first time.
Okay then, what do we want to see? I want to see any form of displacement. Because it's been trash so far, we're just moving sideways, so... Yeah, I'd like to come down and then show me a powerful move up, and then I'd look for an entry. But until then, if you're not long already, then yeah, you gotta wait for an entry, man. Let it prove itself. What did? Euro this morning was beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Like nobody, this was just perfect this morning. I was looking for a New York reversal as well. So we've got Asia sell side, we drop down, we run it out, we displace to the upside, we get M5 boss, we retrace, where do we come back to? Fill in the imbalance and run. Where do we run to? Buy side and obviously pivots. That's a weekly pivot retest, I think. But yeah, that was really nice. That's all we look for in the morning. As simple as that. I've just been watching on M3 lately because it just gives real clean. Yeah, the imbalances, you get some nice imbalances when we break, whereas on some other time frames it's not so. On the 2, there was no imbalance left because of the wick at 3 o'clock. So a 3 minute gave a nice imbalance. And then run. I actually got in off the. I had 2 entries on this. You can see the initial one. We take the low, come up. This one, we get the M1 chock. Candle closes there. I immediately set this limit order. Next candle drops back. I could have got a better entry, but I wanted to ensure entry in case we tapped and run. And then again, wicked a bit lower. Cleared the last of the imbalance and the wickless candle before we go. But even this, order block, pump, retest order block, run. Just a real clean asset. You don't get cleaner than that. Right, I'm done anyway. I thought I'd show you a little bit of that. Bitcoin, they're the only levels I'm interested in. Obviously M1. Yeah, that was horrible, man. There's no imbalances at all. I don't like that run up. Right, meow. Take it easy, mate. I might stream tomorrow for London Open. We'll see. Take it easy. In a bit, mate. Yeah, they're the only two levels I'm interested in. Right, thanks for joining. If you can like, comment, share and subscribe, it would be very much appreciated. Just a quick one today, but I'll see you in the next video.